Alright, good morning guys. Today we're going to be trimming this stuff here. Try to get some afternoon light on the pool. When I first walked back here though, I kind of noticed this in the root zone. And that's kind of suspect. And then looking up in the canopy, there's some little dead just on this side of the tree and kind of on the side of the pool. So I think all this dirt work right here probably messed with it a little bit. Then when I was trying to hook up my base tie, eureka! There's some other spots. I pretty much told them to keep their eye on it. We'll do this little bit of trimming for now, but I think she's going down. All right, guys. Just showing you some observations of Dano. Have a good one. Oh, I stepped in a dog turd.